Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete lock screen wallpaper in Samsung. So if you have dynamic lock screen wallpaper or you have the global lock screen wallpaper on your Samsung and I want to delete it, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to delete lock screen wallpaper in Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead and open your Samsung phone settings. So go ahead, open your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper and style. Under wallpaper and style, click on change wallpaper. Now scroll down the wallpapers page and locate wallpaper services and click on it. Then here you have dynamic lock screen wallpaper and Samsung Global Ghost wallpaper. Now to disable the lock screen wallpaper on your Samsung phone, just go ahead and select none. Then select apply and then you're good. Once you see wallpaper apply to lock screen, then exit the settings page. Then when next your Samsung phone screen is locked, the dynamic lock screen wallpaper or global go lock screen wallpaper will be disabled and then you're good. So that is basically how to delete lock screen wallpaper in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.